Good evening, guys. It's a beautiful Sunday evening, and we are here at Urban Chowk. This is the food park which is located on Bhopal Ambali Road. This place has got a fantastic vibe. It has got a very live vibe, and it has got various food counters, and we are here to explore the counters out here. So this place looks very lively and looks real cool, and I'm waiting to check out the counters inside. Let's get inside. So guys, we are inside now, and you can see, I mean, there are a lot of counters, food counters are there. So whatever is your craving, you can find things over here. So if you crave for South Indian food, if you crave for softies, if you crave for pizzas, so you have got counters for everything. And let's go inside and check out the counters and check out the food. So guys, let me introduce the young lady Stuti, who is the community manager out here and who is in charge for keeping the place vibrant, right?
Yeah.
So this place has got a very young vibe, and I see it's got a very good crowd. So Stuti, can you tell me something about this place? How long since the place was started?
So Urban Chowk, it's been established since 2017.
Okay.
We were earlier at Zydus, near Zydus Hospital, and then we shifted here 3 months back. So we started here in October 2020.
Okay, great, fantastic. So I mean, look, seeing that it has been started only 3 months back, you've managed to garner a very good crowd.
Yeah, we're relatively new, but we're pulling in a lot of crowd. I think it's because of our widely catered menu and our vibe. We like to keep it young and fresh.
So as a community manager, what do you do to ensure that the vibe is young and really happening?
So we try to host as many events as possible. We try with the music and the lighting, and yeah, we're coming up with something for Valentine's Day as well.
Okay.
For everyone.
So when are you going to have the next event?
We're having something on the 12th of Feb.
Okay.
And
14th?
yeah, and the 14th. We're planning something for the 14th as well.
Are you going to have some stand-up or something, or what are you going to plan?
It's
some
actually in
romantic
plans right
stuff
now.
for couples and all that?
It's actually in plans right now, so I cannot exactly disclose what that is.
Okay, fine.
But I would like everyone to come see what we have planned for you. I'm sure it will be amazing.
Okay.
So we have two sections. This is the veg section and that's the non-veg section.
Okay.
And we cater to all types of cuisine. You name it: Mexican, continental, Thai, Lebanese. We have some very exciting items also, like the Dum Matka restaurant. It has biryani in the matka, the original.
But Suki, in Ahmedabad, people are not very enthused about having non-veg food. So do you get customers for non-veg items over there?
Relatively less as compared to veg, because we're in Gujarat. We're a state of vegetarians.
Yes.
But yeah, we do have a lot of non-veg crowd because the non-veg vendors are really good.
Okay.
The non-veg food is really nice.
Great, fantastic. So what is it that we are going to taste today?
Okay, so we're going to taste an amazing dosa from Balan Dosa today.
Okay.
And my favorite nachos from Nachos and More.
Great, fantastic. And what about non-veg?
Biryani from Dum Matka. Alright. And we have sizzlers from Sizzling Swad.
Okay, great, fantastic. So guys, I am really hungry, just listening to these items, and let us go ahead and taste these items. So guys, our first dish is over here, and the first dish is nachos. And nachos, as you guys know, I mean, it's a Mexican dish. It's served with heated tortilla chips, and it is topped with melted cheese, and it's got toppings. Now this has got toppings of basically corn chips. This dish is known as Nachos Supreme. It's topped with corn chips, with beans and nachos cheese, lettuce, corn, red and yellow peppers, spring onions, jalapenos, olives, and sour cream. So looks pretty yummy with all that toppings, and let me just try this. Anything with cheese is my favorite. Looks pretty yummy. having food over here is fun. Having fun. Having this Mexican dish. It's a weekend right now, and the place is absolutely full. We don't have any event as of now. But normally they keep on having events. So I'm sure having food while watching some stand-up show or watching some musical event, it would increase the pleasure of having food. So need to check out this place. Good. Enjoying. Okay guys, so we have our next dish over here, which is the chicken sizzler, and this is from
Sizzling Swad.
Sizzling Swad, and we have the owner over here by the name of Nissan Kurian. Welcome to our channel. And can you tell me something about this dish and something about your outlet?
First of all, I will tell you about my outlet.
Okay.
The brand name is The Sizzling Swad.
Okay.
So we are just opened recently. It's been like 20 days.
Okay.
And we have got some fantastic non-veg dishes, the sizzlers, the fondues. And this one is the chicken Chinese sizzler, which has chili chicken, chicken fried rice, your lollipop, and your potato wedges with it.
Oh, everything is there inside, huh? Okay, great, fantastic. Let me taste the lollipop. So absolutely tender. I think the chicken has been cooked absolutely tender, and it is very, very soft. Basically, if you order this sizzler, I mean, it is like having a full chicken dish.
Yeah, full chicken dish.
Chicken dish. You don't need to order anything else.
And this one is the biggest like you get in Urban Chowk. Like it's almost 750 grams.
Okay, great. So I think two people can easily eat.
Yeah, easily,
right?
easily.
Eat.
It's a meal for two.
Great, fantastic. So guys, it was really nice. So if two people are hungry and they want to have a non-veg dish, this is something that you can order. Which is a complete chicken dish. Okay guys, so we now have the next dish over here, which is the cheese Mysore masala butter dosa. This is from Balan Dosa, and this is a huge dish and pretty filling, I'm sure. Let me just taste this. Okay, and of course, as you guys know, dosa is served with sambar, chutney, and the coconut chutney. Okay, so basically this dosa is topped with cheese, coriander, potato, and other masala items. Taste is pretty good. So guys, our final dish has arrived, and this is the Murg Tikka Biryani from Dum Matka, and it is in this pot. Let me open it. Okay, there you go, piping hot biryani, waiting to be had. Steaming hot. Raita. Let me serve myself the raita. I think it's absolutely fabulous the way it has been cooked. It is since it has got in the matka. I mean that taste of matka has got into the biryani, and it is really tasting great. Guys, we have come to the fag end of our the food journey at Urban Chowk. So we started out with nachos, and after that we had Mysore dosa. After that we had the non-veg dishes. We had the chicken sizzler, and the last one was biryani. Enjoyed the food a lot. The food was overall very good. The quality of food was great. But more than the quality of food, the ambience is great out here. You know, you can see it's a weekend, it's a Sunday evening, and the place is absolutely full, brimming with people. the atmosphere is, the vibe is great. The vibe of the place is great, fantastic. So if you guys want to enjoy quality food and you want to spend quality evening with your friends or family, guys, come to Urban Chowk. And of course there are so many counters out here, and all of these counters are sure to cater to any palate requirement or anything that you need, and you'll have a great time. And if you're in luck, maybe there would be some event out here, like a stand-up comedy or something like that, and it will be really great. We are going to have a tour of the place and check out what kind of counters are there available, so that you can see what is it that you can get out here, what is the food items that you can get out here. And that's it, and signing off.